Discover hidden AI tools to boost your productivity. Revolutionize your workflow with these secret tools. Get ahead of the competition with AI power. Start with number 5, Claude for chatbots. Create custom chatbots with ease and speed. Number 4 is Midjourney for graphic design. Generate stunning visuals in minutes only. Number 3 is Notion AI for note-taking. Organize your thoughts with AI assistants now. Number 2 is 11 Labs for voice cloning. Clone any voice with realistic results instantly. Number 1 is Perplexity for research help. Get instant answers to complex questions always. Other tools like DALL-E and Runway exist. Use DALL-E for art creation and Runway for video editing. Canva also offers AI tools for design. Leonardo AI is another tool for content creation. ChatGPT is great for writing assistants too. Try these tools to streamline your tasks. Explore and find the perfect tool for you. Take your productivity to the next level now. This completes the free AI tools series. Watch the full playlist for more AI tools. Learn about all the free AI tools available. Enhance your workflow with AI power today. Don't miss out on these game-changing tools. Watch the full playlist to get started now.